Starting. I think we're on.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. Hi, Narasimha.
Hi. Hi, Vinod. Nice to meet you.
Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm okay. Nice evening to talk.
Yes.
So
Nice.
let's start. I think we've done many photography episodes so far. This will be another photography episode by yet another accomplished photographer from our batch. Uh, So there is a bit of confusion. I don't know what number episode this will be because we have other people also sending in their contribution. So probably in the course of the day today, I'll get to know if this will be posted tomorrow or the coming week. But any which ways, Nasima, thanks for doing this. Thanks for coming on board and doing this. So I've known Narasimha, all of you know Narasimha for the longest time, but in our team, we call him the original one-man army. So welcome, one-man army, to
Thank
the
you. Pleasure
weekend
is mine.
showcase. And can you tell a little bit about what we are showcasing today, Narasimha?
Uh, Normal photography, most of them are doing. Most of them can do, and they know how to do. Nowadays, most of the mobiles have their camera. With camera, then most of them know what to do. That now I am showcasing something called 360 panoramas.
Okay.
360 panoramas. That is virtual tours. We can call it as
Okay.
virtual tours
So that's
because
what we're
we
going to be
on the
talking
virtual.
about.
Yeah.
Amazing. Nice,
So,
nice.
so virtual tours. Uh, Normally people don't do, or it's like little costly, or it's like little process is little difficult. When I
Uh,
started, it
uh,
was 2007. We started experimenting on this, because in
okay.
US and all, they were doing this, but
Okay.
with the very higher equipment,
Okay.
ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ equipment ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಒಂದು 50 lakh rupees
Okay.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಸ್, ಪ್ಯಾನೋಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್
Okay.
ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
So hold on,
But
hold
we
on,
are
hold
not
on.
afford.
Hold on. We'll get to that. Because obviously we will talk about panos and we will talk about virtual 360-degree photography. But I also want all of us to know how long you've been doing this. I think just like with Gaurish and uh, I think when it comes to painting, Sushma, Anjali, you all have been doing for almost 20 years now. 15 years to 100% ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೀವಿ. So
Yes.
ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೆಯಾಗಿ, when did Narasimha Prakash start photography? When did it all start?
In my school days, I can say about in 10th standard, my first camera
Okay.
was of 75 rupees.
What camera was that?
That was Candida,
Okay.
very small camera. ಈ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳ ಕಡೆ ಜಾತ್ರೆಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಡಬ್ಬಾ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವಿತ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಲಮ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್.
Okay.
ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್.
Do you have the camera with you?
Yes.
Can you show us later? Show us the pictures. Not now. Show us the pictures later. Send it to us.
Okay, I'll do that.
It's still functional. It still works.
Yeah, it still works, but it's difficult to get the roll for that. It's a 110
Oh.
film, so only
Okay.
24 copies of images you
Okay.
can take in that.
Okay.
But that 75 rupees camera, I sold it for 150 rupees and bought a new camera of same type. That is 350 rupees, little higher version of it.
Oh, so that was the second camera there.
Yes.
ಮುಂದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? What else did you buy? How did the camera journey continue?
Then afterwards, my sister got me one DG cam, which has only
Okay.
1 MB memory stick in it, or else you can put only cassette in it. Cassette in
Cassette.
recording.
Oh, you mean a handy cam, is it?
Yes, handy cam. That was my
This was
third
before.
camera.
This was before college or during college?
During college.
Oh damn! How do I
Oh,
not remember this?
hey,
Okay.
you have taken some videos also in that. You don't
Nana.
even. Ah, cassette
ವಯಸ್ಸಾಯ್ತು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ video cam.
ವಯಸ್ಸಾಯ್ತು. Okay.
And before that, Yashica 36 mm. Everybody would know that. That was my third camera. Digital Handycam was fourth camera. And then after joining college, I used to take video camera. 1 MB nalli it can take about 100 KB one image.
Okay.
I used to click on that and take it to the print. ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. One you
Okay.
can say 1 MB memory stick ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ.
Okay.
So we were trying out a lot of that, and then it
Yeah.
was very difficult for us to take. For painting, it's like one image ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it's enough.
Okay.
Print ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. For sculpture, it's like minimum around 6 to 7, 8, 10, depends on the work. So Avaga,
Okay.
it was very costly for hiring a photographer. Then
Right.
I started doing it myself. Thought of doing it myself, and then bought FM10, Nikon FM10.
So this Yashica and FM10 ಎರಡು ಇದೆಯಾ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yashica, yes. Yashica I have. FM10 is also I have.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀನೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ಯಾ? All those work, Narasimha? All of them work?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. So ಆಯ್ತು, ಮುಂದೆ FM10 ನನ್ನ ಅದೊಂದೇ ನಾಪ್ಕ ಇರೋದು ನನಗೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ದ FM10 ದಟ್ ಯು ಪಿಕ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ನೇಪಾಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ Minolta, if I'm right, or something else which Madhukar had bought.
That was digital camera, I believe.
It was a digital camera.
Yeah.
Ado,
I never touched a digital camera avagvargunu.
Right. That was the first. Thanks to Madhukar, that was the first time we actually touched and felt what a digital camera was like. Yeah. So FM10, amele.
FM10 admele, then I was doing a lot of photos with that itself. I was very happy. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸರಿ 4-5 ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೀನರಿ ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ 4-5 ಫೋಟೋ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಸೀನರಿ ತರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾನೋರಾಮಾ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ I was one of the head of the department for art department for 4 years. Then changed to one more company.
Okay. So camera you started from way back from school time.
Yes.
School ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ college and you're continuing to do it.
Yes.
Total how many years you've been doing this?
Around 25 years.
Wow. And today's subject, which is
360 panorama, that's virtual tour, VR photography.
That how many years you've been doing?
I've been doing that for 12 years now. After achieving it, the experimental period was about 6 months. Shoot, do change ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬೇಡ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡು, ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ.
Okay. So we'll come to the subject itself for now. Virtual photography andre enu? Okay, actually sorry, my bad. So you're also you're a life member of YPS, Youth Photography Society.
Yes.
And that also sorry,
I was one of the directors also for about 8-9 years.
Okay.
Then
how long you been associated
in YPS?
Yes.
20 years now.
So college ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
Yes, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, I don't want to tell the name of the lecturer. They didn't take the classes. Photography classes was my optional subject in third year.
Everybody knows when you say he doesn't take that person. I have also asked. Appaji sir also has asked me a couple of times to go and teach sculpture and painting students. He's never done that. We all know who it is. It's not a secret at all.
So then he suggested, he's a godfather, like he suggested there is some workshop, basic photography workshop in Yavanika. Why don't you go there and inquire about YPS anta helidru. That is when Yavanika is youth state youth center. Youth center. It's a place. It's a like Nupatunga Road alli RBI pakka ide, where you have all this parasailing, mountaineering, ಮತ್ತೆ chess, all those sports. YMCA Yavanika ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋದು.
Oh, why is that?
I don't know.
That's the name, is it? Oh, why?
That's
Oh,
the
I didn't
name.
know that. Oh, okay.
We call it as
Okay.
Yavanika.
Okay.
It's also in English they call it as State Youth Center.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So
Now,
then,
we used to go to Mythic Society,
yes, opposite to that, yes.
Yeah, to again going back to our college days when we did our art history submissions. So I think we spent a lot of time in Mythic Society and the Bangalore Library. Bangalore
Yes,
Library in
Bangalore Central
Kavan
Library.
Park. Central
Yes, Central
Library
Library.
in Kavan Park. Okay, I didn't know that was Yavanika.
Mm.
Awesome. So you're still with YPS?
Yes. I'm a life member over there, so I'll be there
Okay.
till my.
So
last.
you've done your displays and shows with them also.
Photography. Whatever I have shoot. Sometimes I go to seniors and show how it is. Take their tips.
Okay.
Sometimes, not
Okay.
all the time, because all are not available. Over there, everybody is hobby photographers. Like
Okay.
most of them are hobby photographers over there.
Okay. Okay.
There are multiple other associations where only for professional photographers they have the clubs.
Okay.
This is the only organization where it doesn't take any. What do you say? If a basic course costs you so much, they'll charge only so much to the peoples. They'll not
Okay.
make money out of it or profit.
Right.
Non-profitable organization kind of a thing.
Okay. Fine. Okay, we'll move to your virtual reality or 360-degree pano photography. Idu hege start ಆಯ್ತು, and before that, what is pano photography?
Anything, ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ಹೈಟ್ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೈಟ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Right.
2-dimensional. So
right.
where the width is more than the height is a pano.
Right.
So if 2-3 images join together horizontally, it's a panoramic view.
Okay.
If you want to take a mountain range, you don't get that ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಫುಲ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 4-5 snaps together and join together. Now we have the equipments for joining in Photoshop. Stitch and just stitch ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Previously, I'm talking about 10 years back, in digital camera also, Photoshop was not having the option of stitch option. At that time, we used to match each and every image next to next, blur, smudge, erase, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. That is panoramic view.
Okay.
So that is panoramic view. One type of panorama photo. There's one more 360 panorama. That is called cylindrical panorama. Cylindrical panorama. Entire 360, where you don't have top and bottom. You cannot see the top and bottom.
Okay.
So now what I am doing is 360 panorama. That's a virtual tour where you can see top and bottom also.
Okay.
Correct. And the same way, these are the 3 types of panoramas what you see. Cylindrical, 360 panorama, that is virtual tour, and other one is regular panoramic image.
Okay.
So in this, lot of them were feeling very difficult to post this. Have you seen this CAD engineered views? ಮನೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ CAD walkthroughs ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
Right.
That was taking a larger file. It was not able to upload it to the website, or ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we need to have a DVD given to them. So this because of this good thing which Panorama has come, virtual tour, it's made the whole thing very easy. Here the difference is CAD gives the view of the home or the walkthrough before the construction happens, but this 360 panorama gives 360 after the construction happens.
Okay.
And the file size is much you can say about 90 times lesser than what CAD gives with the same quality. This helps the builders and all to showcase their mock-up flat in their website and sell their product. Not only mock-up flat, it may be a gallery, it may be a resort, anything. Maybe a showroom.
Okay.
So that this made easy for people to upload in their website
Okay.
virtual tours.
Okay.
So then after that, people started using this. In India, it started from 2010. Correct start
Okay.
ಆಗಿದ್ದು. Now
Okay.
it is in the boom. Like
Okay.
around 2 years, 3 years back in the boom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ when Google started giving panoramas for itself.
Okay.
Google
Right.
Google
Right. Right.
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್
Right.
ಇರ್ದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಗೂಗಲ್ ವಾಕ್ ಥ್ರೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2005 ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇನ್ 2013-14 ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಕೇಮ್. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯು
ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್
ಕ್ಯಾನ್
ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್
ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು
ಇಮೇಜಸ್.
ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್
ಎಲ್ಲ
ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್
Right.
ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್
Right.
ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಅವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ವಾಕ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ.
Right. 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 So in terms of equipment, Narasimha, when you started till now, so obviously with technology, obviously both hardware as well as software ಎರಡು improve ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Is it that big a jump, or we think it's no? After a point, it's come to a kind of a plateau. One level ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, it's there only. ಇನ್ನೇನು that's the peak of it.
ನೋ, ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನ. Now they started doing video also in 360 virtual video, where you can see by walking only you can see however you see your area. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
So what Narasimha is talking about is virtual reality videos, which are, so if you go to say a simple YouTube link and put for 360-degree pano, damn, sorry, something happened. Are you there?
Yeah,
sorry, I got a message. So if you just go to YouTube and put 360-degree virtual reality, and you really get the virtual reality headgear.
Glasses.
You can actually, with the glasses and the headphone, you can see the entire. So the other day I was watching.
That started in
I think Kruger National Park in Africa. You can actually see lions all around you. Now that is to do with video. Virtual reality with the headgear, is it possible with still photography?
To some extent, not full extent.
Okay. So it is interactive, but you still need a touch interface or a mouse, but you can't just move head around and see.
No. The same with still camera, but we have taken the 360 virtual tour, that we can implement in this class, and you can turn your head and see the whole thing. But it will not
possible.
It's possible, but video ತರ ಇರಲ್ಲ. It's like you would have gone to all these gaming centers and you can see that gaming videos and all going like this, going ಆ ತರ ಇರಲ್ಲ. One image all 360
ನೋಡಬಹುದು.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Okay.
Where in video you can see all those things coming, going.
Correct. Obviously it's a still and it's a video, but my question was still ನಾವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ತರ ನೋಡಬಹುದು.
Yes.
Nice.
Like we are inside the planetarium ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ full ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು.
Yeah.
The same way you can see that in the glass. The same image you can put there.
Okay. So equipment you are saying, so you have a very low budget and you also have a very high budget to shoot the same pano. Obviously the resolution will be a lot more. I remember one such kind of a picture was done, though it is not a 360-degree, it was one of the biggest resolution pictures of its kind. I think during the swearing in of Obama president.
Yes. 24-30 cameras ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ.
It took about a week or something to generate and stitch all of them together.
Yes.
I think that record also was broken again by somebody else, and they used I don't know how many cameras, some 100 cameras or 1,000 cameras. So every day I think people are adding on more things, and the more they do it, I think the entire process will become simplified. I think the cost of the equipment also will come down if it gets more popular.
Yeah, you see, ಈ ಒಬಾಮಾ ಸ್ಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ he has taken that much ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು equipments ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. I can see each and every person's face zoom. But that was not, that was to show the skill of the panorama. But
Right.
to solve the purpose, if you want to put it on a website or something, that doesn't need actually. ಒಂದು
Right.
ಓಮಾ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ one small camera can also do that. Now the cameras about 20,000 rupees one equipment can do the whole thing and give out about 5 MB file of this.
Hmm. So
ಅವಾಗ
as
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು
I was
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
previously discussing, imagine if the reunion happened and we had taken a shot like how Obama's swearing in happened. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೂರದ even can zoom in and see everybody. It's though we are not 1,000 people, we're just about 40 people. But still, I think next time when we do a reunion, let's try doing this pano shot where all of us are there in whichever resort or wherever we are. It'll be nice. That'll be a nice memory to have. I think ಆತರ achieve ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we all have to remain still for how long? Maybe half a minute?
Yes, that's it.
So
when the camera is towards you, when the camera is towards you, you have to be still. Up to 3 snaps.
Oh, okay.
Like one panorama, if I'm taking with the still camera, if I'm taking with regular DSLR still camera, will consist at least about 10 images. Okay. One shoot here, minimum ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 10 no. We can that will go to maximum about 50, 60, 80. How many images just we want we can take. But ಅದು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ up to 3 images you have to stay still.
Oh, okay.
Little of shake also, the software will take care and remove the ghost image in that.
Correction nodutte.
Yes.
So my next question then, ಈಗ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಏನು ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You still have to
see if you want to zoom everything and see each and every person's character and all correct ಕಾಣಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ one minimum DSLR, any entry level camera also will do with one fisheye lens.
Oh, okay.
That's that will take around 70K with their small camera with a lens. With 20K,
any option to do the same thing, because nowadays you get fisheye lens even for smartphones.
Smartphones. But I have not tried. ಅದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಂತವಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ. They have those images ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ jerk ಇರುತ್ತೆ. They don't know how to edit it. They just publish it like that.
Okay. So ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ shoot ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ you load it onto a Photoshop kind of a software to stitch it, is it?
Yes.
ತುಂಬಾ manually stitching ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ there is some automation for that?
See now what the softwares are coming, it will stitch up to 90%. It will stitch. Other 10% will do it with Photoshop. Previously, what happened about 10 years back, ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಈ ಫೋಟೋಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇ ಇದು ಸೀಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇದು ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್, ಈ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಈ ಫೋಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇದು ಸೀಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ it will again go to whether the panorama is proper vertical ilva anta. Horizontal idrunu vertical lens vertical ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Now the software has come out, will do 90% this job by manual. Sometimes we have to do the settings inside the software. Ade now the camera one camera single camera dalli where you can shoot the whole thing, but the clarity will not be that much. Clarity will not be there. As DSLR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು 10 images ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸೈಜ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ 5 MB ಫೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. You can directly upload it to the Google or any mobile. You can check how is it. That does it everything by itself.
Okay, got it. So I think now it makes sense, because before the today's talk, Narasimha had shared some of his pictures with me. Some of them I've gone and had an experience. I think we should go and look at some examples. You'll get an understanding why Narasimha is saying there are certain equipments used in a certain way, where sometimes you can pinch and zoom into a particular photograph, a particular panorama, and get into details also. So all those possibilities are there. So why don't we just take a look, Nasima? Can we show some
Yes.
examples?
Just a minute.
I'm gonna get out of the way.
So now this is so many of them would know. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಜಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಧನುಷ್ಕೋಡಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Not many people will know.
Okay, this is the other end of India, ಧನುಷ್ಕೋಡಿ.
Okay.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚ್ ಇದೆ.
Okay.
One time of season ಅಲ್ಲಿ water will be half of this church ನ ಮುಳುಗ್ಸಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Every year.
Some time ಅಲ್ಲಿ every year ಅಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
So ಇದು ಹಾಳಾಗಿರುವಂತ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. So you can see this and showing horizontal. You can see all 360 here.
Yes.
Now you can pinch and blow also.
Zoom in also. Okay.
Zoom in, zoom out. And now you can see all people are doing their own work. Without disturbing them, I have taken this picture. Still,
I can see when you are hovering, I can see some arrow marks coming.
Yes. These arrow marks are to see the church from that angle. You can go to a walk through here.
Okay.
ಈ angle ಇಂದ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ. Now I have come ಇನ್ನು ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ and the sunlight has changed because.
So can you kind of show the experience, Narsima, of the complete 360 in this top, bottom, sideways, all of that, so people get an idea of what is.
This is the bottom.
360.
This is bottom. This is top, the sky.
So whichever way you can turn.
You can get inside the church now. See, we are inside the church.
Okay,
you can
nice.
See the church walls
Very
here.
Nice. ನೀನು ತುಂಬಾ ತಪ್ಪು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ. ನಾವು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಲ್ಲೂರು ಹೋದ್ವಿ ತಾನೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು ತಾನೆ ಈ ತರದ್ದು.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು. So this way, and I'll show you 6,000 miles. This is one of the showroom. You can check this. Zoom in, zoom out ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ clarity, best clarity ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
That's full zoom, is it?
Yes. No, you can zoom in till. ಇದು ಗೂಗಲ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ zoom.
Okay. But there is no way that we can download this file, no, Narsima?
No, you can't download it. Option ಇಲ್ಲ. Option ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Zoom out.
This is the bottom. See? It's still loading here. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು blur ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Oh, okay. I thought that's a tile. Okay.
No. It's loading actually.
Acha.
See, you can see the bike here. Google zoom in full restrict ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ and loading speed ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ clarity ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. This is much more clarity than when we give. It's about 40 MB file. You can see.
Okay.
You can see the bags. The whole drawings are here.
Okay.
Clarity. This is about 10 images stitched together.
So the stitching ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ? Is it on Photoshop or some other proprietary software?
We have something called Pano Pro. ಈಗ Color Pano Pro ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Okay.
So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
freeware or it's
a cost ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It's not a freeware.
Okay.
So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ 10 images ಹಾಕಿ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then it will give an equirectangular image.
Okay.
Would you like to see the equirectangular image?
Yeah. So while we are talking, can you tell us what are the applications of Pano? ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ?
ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಶೋರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then
ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ like can you give an example?
ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೇಲ್. ಡೆಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋನ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹೋಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then he will I can send him this virtual tour to him. He can see over there itself and give his opinion.
Okay.
This is one equirectangular image.
What's that?
equi-rectangular image. We call
Okay.
the whole thing
Sorry.
stitched together,
Oh,
or
okay,
10 images
okay,
stitched
okay.
together. You can see top, bottom, all 360 here. This will go
Okay.
into the Google and give you the 360, or else we have to
Oh,
do
this.
some.
Okay. So this converts into a 360 virtual.
Yes. You
Oh,
can see the
okay,
edge of
okay.
the table here cut, and the
Correct,
edge here you
correct,
can
correct,
see here.
correct.
If this
Okay,
matches
okay.
together, it looks like a globe. If you are inside a ball, if this image goes and sticks to the ball, and you are inside the ball,
Right.
the image, that's the 360.
Okay. So yeah, like you said, so this is a great way to showcase your resorts, so building or construction places,
Yes.
tourism, like ನೀವು
Yes.
ಧನುಷ್ಕೋಡಿ ಹೋಗಿರೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿರೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you were saying something in cars. So you have extensively used this for your workplace also, where you've done interior shoot
Yes.
of a 360 degree of a car and motorcycle and all that, right?
Yes. This is sorry.
Just one ತೋರ್ಸು ಅಂತ, ಆಮೇಲೆ then we can share all the links to everybody.
This is Maserati. Masatari. Okay, I don't know the pronunciation. Maserati ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ. Maserati. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 360 panorama. How it looks
Okay.
from inside. I'll show you. It's loading. This is the live site. What I'm showing you.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
You
sorry,
you
this
shot this?
360 exterior. No, this is my colleague shot at this,
Okay.
but stitched and all by myself. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ shoot ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then I have to do everything here.
Okay.
You can see the top. It's a coupe,
Right.
so top is not there. Here you can see the car.
So idrallunu, can you go towards the dashboard?
Just a minute. Yes, we can go to the dashboard. You can see those blinking dots now. The blinking dots ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
I'm not able to. Okay. So how much can you zoom
click
here,
on
Narasimha?
that. Okay. You can click on that and you'll get one image. This image.
Okay, got it. But otherwise, how much can you zoom in? Oh, not
The website can zoom
you
it here.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Like that. With the top one, I'll show you one car with the top one.
Nice.
You can see the
So
dashboard.
when you shoot ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ?
See, Maserati was in studio.
ಇದು
ಆ ಕಾರ್ ಇದು without studio, it's in the ground, without any artificial lights or any studio lights. This is only natural light, coming through sun. Nothing else is there.
So ಇದು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೆಳಕು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
This is somewhere in the around 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
Very clean lighting, ಒಂಥರ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ harsh lighting ಅನ್ಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೋ.
ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಶ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಾವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಟೋಶಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀಯ. ಓಕೆ.
ಎಸ್,
ಸರಿ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ಬೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Any other applications that you see that you would be able to do with this?
Applications ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದು you feel we can use this?
ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಶೋ ಅಥವಾ ಎನಿ ರಾಕ್ ಶೋ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ 360 ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. It looks comes out awesome. We can see ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಬೋತ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್.
Okay. Sorry. Super. So I think we have a lot of links to show over the weekend. So we can view it on the mobile itself, all of these links.
We can view it on the mobile itself, whatever I share in the links.
Or regular desktop ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. Yes.
So ಎಲ್ಲಾನು the car interiors, your travel pictures ಎಲ್ಲಾನು on the mobile only.
ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದೇ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು.
Does Google allow you to put the VR gear and see it?
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತು.
Let me try. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. It will be nice to see it like that.
Yes. You feel that when you are inside that car, or you are inside that place where you are seeing it.
Yeah. Hey, okay, one more thing I wanted to ask. Sudden ಆಗಿ ಬಂತು. So ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ತಗೋ, ಧನುಷ್ಕೋಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು?
See, ಧನುಷ್ಕೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಹಾಬಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. For that ಧನುಷ್ಕೋಡಿ, only the church, I have taken about 10 panoramas.
Okay.
10 spots I have taken, 10 panoramas. Each 10 panoramas ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ I took around 2 to 3 hours with a regular DSLR.
That's a lot of time. ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. 2-3 hours is a lot.
If you use a digital SLR camera with the new equipment what we have, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇರಲ್ಲ. Still you have a good memory wise ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆದ್ರೆ you can take it, but that will take 2-3 seconds one panorama. If I have 10 spots, I can do it in 1 minute.
Okay.
That you can control that camera with mobile.
Oh, okay.
And
multiple camera shoot ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ,
multiple camera shoot ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ again you have lot of time ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಸ್ ನ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್, ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು.
ಓಕೆ.
It should rotate on the same axis.
Okay.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ 1 feet ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇಮೇಜ್ zigzag ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then you have to edit it in the Photoshop again.
Okay.
So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟ್ರೈಪಾಡ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈಪಾಡ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Okay.
Till now I have not I am using hand helded. Everything is hand helded, whatever I have shot.
Oh, nice. So it would be extremely
steady.
What do you say? Steady, no?
Steady hands. Okay. Sometimes even you are shooting a car ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, but that looks good with that natural light what they have, that orange light or anything. I can't improve the light. If I improve the light, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಶಟರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I can do that, but where ಆ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So that we need to keep that environment and shoot ಅಂದಾಗ the shutter speed will obviously go down, and ISOs you can't improve because noise ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. So we have to shutter speed sometimes 8 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, sometimes 16 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
So either that or first ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವೆಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಟ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you will have the same kind of lighting ಅಲ್ಲ?
Yes. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾನೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ you have to finish it within 5 minutes.
Okay.
What check ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ maybe the sunlight changes or natural light changes, you should make sure that you finish it as early as possible.
Okay.
Next selecting different spots ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು? ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂತೀಯಾ?
ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ in Chennai, Kerala, Lela, and Gujarat al kuda, we have started doing this all tourism spots ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
Mhm.
they have started giving this Google ಅವರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, and the government, the state government is also
Mhm.
providing.
Okay.
So in Karnataka they are not doing, only the Google ಯಾರು ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ, ನನ್ನ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ದ, ಈಗ ಧನುಷ್ಕೋಡಿ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು 10 ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆ ವಾಕ್ ಥ್ರೂ ನೀನ್ 10 ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ನನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಂದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅವಂದು ನಂದು ಇಬ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. when you click there, again you will come to my pano or his pano. You make his voluntary ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೇ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು.
I have an idea. Why not do CKP itself?
We have done CKP ದು one time ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
Full college ಅಂದ್ರೆ from the entrance, then going where our classrooms were, which has now become gallery, staff room, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದಲ್ಲ, so people can have a virtual tour of CKP ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, we can do that.
We can give back, and maybe ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ then obviously ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. New campus maybe we can do in a different way, but the Hale campus where we were there, Kumara Kripa, I think we can do that.
We can do that. Around according to me it will take around 80 to 100 panels ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ campus.
Okay. Yeah, because galleries also are there, no?
Galleries also there.
Yeah, but we should do in such a way that the galleries we don't give too much of clarity. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. I think overall campus we can show.
Gallery what we are showing, ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಯಾವ್ದು ಶೋ ಇತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸಿರ್ತೀಯ.
ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನಾನು. ಕೆಜ್ರಿವಾಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ರೋರಿಕ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ.
ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ, ಆರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಮೋಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ whatever, right? You have to go spend time and be there.
But still if the person is in the other country and he still wants to see what's in the
gallery. I agree. See, for people like us who cannot go to college, ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ college campus. So yes. People who are out of Bangalore or for some reason not able to come to college, it's a nice way to go and see how the college looks. Obviously it doesn't look as beautiful as how when we were there with the huts and with the temple walls, the canteen down, with the cobblestone and all that. Adillandre, you still have some kind of emotional connect with our campus. No, I'm game. Neen marti andre, I'll also come and help you out.
Perhaps we'll do it. You take the permission, we'll do it.
Permission sikbidutte, madu sakana. Super.
Okay, we can do that.
So thanks Narasimha so much.
Thank you Vinod. Thank you Vinod for this.
Thank you. I'm thanks
because long time it was pending.
Thanks to you guys that you're coming. Pending. At the same time, I don't want people to say like our ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. It's not that. Whoever is coming forward, I'm more than happy to do it. In fact, now it's become more like a hunting for me. I'm literally chasing people to come and do this. Obviously, people have been busy. It's lockdown, kids, wagera, job and all of that. But then again, it's my humble appeal, guys, please come and share, because just like with Narasimha and everybody else who's come before this, with each episode we learn something, and that something stays with us,
and moreover
and
that
it helps us in some other way.
Moreover that if I put these videos in YouTube and share it to everybody, it's like even I get more exposure to the medias.
Oh, that's one way to look at it. But I'm loving doing this, enjoying talking to my classmates, to my friends. It's a great way. It's a ಮೊದಲು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಒಂಥರ, I've always been, you know me, I've been always behind the camera. I don't like being in front of the camera, but thanks to lockdown, this is something I'm learning. It's a great thing, but I'm a little saddened today. I'm a little sad today, not because of this episode. I'm saddened, and it's unfortunate that today SPB passed away.
I know.
One of my gurus, one of my icons that I We all love him, and
The
it's
whole
very
the
sad
whole
to.
the whole
Yeah,
industry, the whole Karnataka is sad actually. Not only
yeah,
Karnataka who is interested in music, they are sad because of
yeah.
that.
Actually, that's right, because he didn't not only just sang in Kannada, but he's obviously he's a Teluguite. He's sung so much I think I don't know how many languages, but I think he holds a Guinness record. So there is some kind of a debate between who sung the most number of songs. So
Hmm.
it's either him or Asha Bhosle who sung the most number of songs in the world, some
Hmm.
40,000 or 50,000 plus songs, and a very rare accomplishment where somebody of his age, he was 74, and there was no change in his voice. People after a certain age, 60, 70, you can see the voice wavering, and he was still going strong. ಸತಿ ನಾವೇ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಂಗೊಂಥರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ has taken away a lot of good people, uh,
Hmm.
near and dear ones, some celebrities that we love, a lot of icons. I hope this bloody corona goes away and we get out of this 2020. It's a debacle. It's unfortunate.
No worries. The wheel has to come
Uh,
down. It will come
yes,
down.
yes.
We'll wait for that.
ಚಕ್ರವ್ಯೂಹ, ಸಾರಿ, ಜೀವನ ಚೈತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು.
Correct.
ಆ ತರ ಲೈಫ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ end this on a very good note. Thank you, Narsuma, and do share your links
Thank
with
you.
people. And
I will.
I think big thanks for you to coming and sharing your knowledge about panoramic photography. And anybody who wants to know a little more about panoramic photography and how to do it, or if you want something to get done from Narsuma, now you've seen his work. In fact, over the weekend when he shares the link, you see how impressive it is, how interactive it is. Obviously, you guys would have seen it on other websites, on other places, but we have a person with us who is one of us, and who's doing this on a regular basis, and who's become an expert in doing this. You've been doing this what, for about 12 years now?
Yes.
12
When I
years.
started doing this, there was nobody in India who were doing this.
Great. That's nice. That's nice. So I think it's a great honor for us to have so many different individuals and doing such great work. So again, thank you, Narsuma, and share the link with us, and wishing you all the success. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Bye. See you soon.
Bye-bye. See you.
Bye.